Welcome to another episode of Nerdy Nibbles.
Today we're leveling up our baking skills by making dog treats.
Dog treats.
For my dog, Iroh. He's named after Uncle Iroh from Avatar: The Last Airbender, but he is not wise. He has 2 brain cells. So I found this recipe online. Love in the oven. Adds pumpkin and peanut butter dog treats.
Yum.
I decided to use my really cool, neat Halloween bowl because it's Halloween in my life. Alright, so you want to start off with 2.5 cups whole wheat flour. I don't have whole wheat flour, I have normal flour. It's fine. It is fine for dogs, I promise. And then we're going to go with 2 large eggs. Would you like to crack the eggs? I'm going to go on to the next step. It's half of a cup canned pumpkin. I put a little extra because my dog loves pumpkin. And then next you want to take 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. You can use natural peanut butter. I use Jiffy peanut butter. That is safe for dogs. It doesn't have xylitol. I can't pronounce it. It doesn't have that thing that's bad for dogs. And then half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. So we want to mix everything together.
All right, so you're going to preheat your oven to 350, which we have.
All right, so it is going to look crumbly like this. I don't know if you can see that. So if it does look like that, what you want to do is take some water, a splash. Because you want it to be thick and kneadable, but you don't want it to be too wet. Because then, how are you supposed to roll it out and cut it into shapes? It is going to be very sticky. Dry and thick consistency. That's what. Give me a second. I would add a little bit more flour. Okay, so I added 1 teaspoon of flour. And honestly, I think that's going to be as good as we're going to get it. So I have 2 parchment papers here. Alright, so you can flour your countertop if you want to spend hours cleaning. I do not wish to do that, so we're going to use parchment paper. I'm going to get some flour to spread on it, and then we can cut out the cookies and the shapes. Garo was just washing his hands.
Yes.
Because we are not grungy.
Nope.
I don't know why that's my thing I'm saying right now, but it is.
Grungy?
Yes. Oh, gosh. So what?
This is why I washed my hands.
Alright, so you can take flour and like coat your hands, so that way it's easier to get the dough out.
It smells definitely like peanut butter.
Yes. Alright, so knead the dough. It's fine if you just cover it in flour to make it easier to work with. You will get pumpkin all over your hands, but that's okay. Because, baking's messy sometimes. And if this is your first time trying it, it's okay. Sure, whatever you're making, whether it be dog biscuits or cookies or anything, it will come out amazing.
Oh, snap.
That's why I put a lot of flour on, because it is sticky. The extra flour is fine. It won't hurt the dog. It'll just be a little coated. Okay, so now that you've kneaded the dough, rolled it out enough, you can now cut your dough into shapes.
I don't think this is rolled enough.
Here. I'm going to finish rolling Kai's dough. And Kai's going to go use the cookie cutters we've picked out. Mm-hmm. We have a dog paw, a bat, and a pumpkin shape because it's fall. Alright, so we're just going to cut out as many cookies as we can. The recipe online says it makes 20 dog treats. Oopsie. Oh, well, that one didn't turn out right. So leave comments with any fun fall plans. We're in Arizona, so yeah, it doesn't really get super cold here. And the colors don't change how it does in other places, but that's okay. We still love it.
Someone still loves it.
Look, I live here. I have to love it. Otherwise, I'll be sad.
That's true. These treats are coming out pretty nicely.
Oh, they are. Cairo's making pumpkins and you're using dog treat one? The dog paw one?
Yes, I am.
And the dog paw one. I'm just making bats because I love bats. If you're in Arizona, you can go check out the bat cave we have off of 40th Street in Camelback. They just hang out in this old abandoned storm drain. And you can take the scraps of dough and knead it together to just keep making as many dog treats as you possibly can. I will recommend dipping your dough in the flour.
Oops.
Extra flour if you have extra flour on your parchment paper, because it will be sticky.
Uh-oh. Wasn't kidding
You
about
okay?
the sticky. It's super sticky.
Look here, I have very little scraps left, so I'll just
Okay.
take that.
Works.
And then I have some cookie sheets with parchment paper on it if you want to go ahead and start lining the cookies up on them.
Alright, I got the cookie sheets. And I'm gonna line them up.
I think they look beautiful. You don't have to put them like super far apart because they're not going to rise that much. So it's totally okay to just like, okay, load it up, but don't overload it. Okay, I think I can get a few more cookies out of this dough. Might be able to get one more.
Well,
Alright, I got one more bat-shaped one.
is this too much?
Well, we're just gonna ride with it. Okay, and then go ahead and you want to put it in the oven. Alright, it says to bake for about 35 minutes or hard. My dog likes soft cookies, so we'll check back in 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Alright, so after 20 minutes, the cookies or biscuits, whatever you want to call them, they should be ready. I am only baking the cookies for 20 minutes because my dog has missing teeth. His own fault. So he needs soft cookies. If you want them to be harder, then you can just leave them in for another 10 minutes. It'll be 30 minutes.
It was nice.
This is his little treat jar. So all the biscuits are gonna go in there once they cool. It'll take like an hour or so to cool, so we won't show you that part. But I think the little bats came out pretty alright.
If I was a dog, I would eat them. If I was a dog.
Well, technically, you could eat these. No one would judge you because they look like cookies, biscuits. But there you have it, homemade peanut butter and pumpkin dog treats. Let us know if you try it out and if your furry friend likes them.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And leave us comments of what you guys like us to try next.
Until next time, foodies.
See you next Friday.